Hello students, welcome all of you in the series of online classes, and our today's topic is, now let's see some more questions from inequality. Let's take the question number 12. The 12th question is, question number 12 is 1 by 2 into 3x by 5 plus 4 is greater than equal to 1 by 3 into x minus 6. This is the question. So students, let's see how it can be solved. So first you simplify half into taking 5 as LCM. So it will become 3x plus 20 is greater than equal to 1 by 3 into x minus 6. Now it becomes 1 by 10 into 3x plus 20 is greater than equal to 1 by 3 into x minus 6. Now we perform cross multiplication here. So it will become 3 into 3x plus 20 is greater than equal to 10 into x minus 6. Now it becomes 9x plus 60 is greater than equal to 10x minus 60. So bring the variables on LHS part. So 9x minus 10x is greater than equal to minus 60 minus 60. It will become, it means that it will become minus x is greater than equal to minus 120. Now again, when you multiply it by minus sign, then inequality will get changed. So it will become less than equal to 120. It means all those solution of real numbers for which the value of x is less than equal to 120 are the solution. Therefore, x belongs to minus infinite to 120 closed interval. Left side open and right side closed because 120 is also included in it. Now let's see a question again. Next question. Question number 13. Question number 13 is 2 into 2x plus 3 minus 10 is less than 6 into x minus 2. Now see the solution. So your solution will become 4x plus 6 minus 10 is less than 6x minus 12, which implies that 4x minus 4 is less than 6x minus 12. Now bring the variable in LHS part. So 4x minus 6x is less than minus 12 plus 4, which is minus 2x is less than minus 8. By multiplying by minus sign on both sides, we can write 2x is greater than 8. So x is greater than 8 by 2, from where x is greater than 4. It means that all those real numbers which is greater than 4 is the solution of this inequality. It means its solution will become, solution is x belongs to open interval, yes, open interval 4 to infinite. From left side we write the number from where the solution starts, and on right side we write the solution number from where solution ends. So it starts from 5. X is greater than 4. So that's why I have given here open interval for infinite. For that 4 is not included in it, and the solution starts from 5 to infinity. So in this way you will solve this equation. Now let's take few more questions of inequality from your NCERT book. See a solution of question number 15. 15 is what? X by 4 is smaller than 5x minus 2 by 3 minus 7x minus 3 by 5. This is the inequality of which we have to solve the solution. So x by 4 is less than, now take the LCM of 3 and 5, that is 15. 3 5 ja 5 into 5x minus 2 minus 3 into 7x minus 3, that is x by 4 is less than 25x minus 10 minus 21x plus 9 by 15. So x by 4 is less than 25x minus 21x, that is 4x minus 10 plus 9 minus 1 by 15. Now by cross multiplying we can write 15x less than 16x minus 4. When you multiply 4x minus 1 by 4, then you will got. Now again transposing, 15x minus 16x is less than minus 4. So it will become minus x is less than minus 4. Again by multiplying minus sign, we have x is greater than 4. So its solution will become x belongs to open interval 4 to infinite. This is the by this method you can solve this equation. This is the way of solving this type of equation. So this is the solution of question number 15. Now let's see question number 16. Question number 16 is what? 16 is that 2x minus 1 by 3 is greater than equal to 3x minus 2 by 4 minus 2 minus x by 5. This is the solution. This is the inequality of which we need to solve it. So now it becomes 2x minus 1 by 3 is greater than equal to, taking the LCM 4 and 5, which is 20. 4 5 ja, that is 5 into 3x minus 2 minus 4 into 2 minus x. Now 2x minus 1 by 3 is greater than equal to, it becomes 15x minus 10 minus 4 2 ja 8 plus 4x by 20. Now check the solution once again. 15x minus 10 minus 8 minus minus plus 4x. Correct. So now it will become 2x minus 1 by 3 is greater than equal to 15x plus 4x, that is 19x and minus 10 minus 8 will become minus 18 by 20. Now do cross multiplication here. So when we do cross multiplication, then it will become 20 into 2x minus 1 is greater than equal to 3 into 19x minus 18. So it will become 40x minus 20 is greater than equal to 57x minus 54. Now transpose the variable on LHS part. So it becomes 40x minus 57x is greater than equal to minus 54 plus 20. So again we have minus 17x on the LHS part. Minus 57 plus 40 will become minus 17x greater than equal to minus 14. No, minus 34. Minus 34. Minus 54 plus 20 is minus 34. Now again both sides negative sign, so multiply with minus sign to eliminate this negative sign, so it becomes 17x, and inequality will get reversed, less than equal to 34. Now see here, so x is less than equal to 34 by 2, 34 by 17, so x is less than equal to 2. It means its solution will become x belongs to minus infinite to 2, closed interval. Big bracket represents closed interval, a small bracket represents open interval. So in the form of interval, and interval as you know that the set of a real number, so the solution of x belongs from minus infinite to 2. This is the solution of this question, question number 16. Now let's see exercise 6.1. Exercise 6.1. And the next question says that solve the identities in exercise 17 to 20 and show the graph of the solution in each case on number line. It means that you have to represent the solution on the graph on number line. You have to show the graph of the solution in each case on number line. So our first question is 17. Let's see question number 17. That is 3x minus 2 is less than 2x plus 1. This is the inequality which we have to solve and represent the solution graphically on the number line. So students, first you transpose the variables towards the LHS. So 3x minus 2x is less than 1 plus 2, that is x is less than 3. It means we have to, the solution, first you draw a number line. And by drawing number line, you write 0, 1, 2, 3, and on left side of the 0 it will be minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, and so on. This is a number line on which there is 0 on right side of 0. As you know that there are positive numbers and left side of 0 are negative numbers. Now the solution is x is smaller than 3. It means that 3 is not included in it, but 2.99 can be included. So first you make a round circle at point 3. Make a circle on 3 and dark the line towards the left. Less than means towards left, the number line. This darkened line represents the solution of this x graphically on the number line. This is the method to represent the solution graphically on the number line. Because 3 is not included here, so we left the circle at 3 white. We have not darkened it. If 3 is also included in it, then we will dark the circle at the 3. Is it clear? So now see the next question. Next question is question number 18. Few more questions are here. Question number 18 is 5x minus 3. 5x minus 3 is greater than equal to 3x minus 5. This is the inequality whose solution shown graphically on the number line. So first you write, transpose the variable, that is 5x minus 3x is greater than equal to minus 5 plus 3. So it will become 2x is greater than equal to minus 2. So x is greater than equal to minus 2 by 2, that is x is greater than equal to minus 1. It means the solution is the real numbers from minus 1 and greater than minus 1. It means minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 are all the solution of this inequality. So first you draw a number line. Suppose this is your number line. This is 0. On left side of 0 it is minus 1, minus 2. And on right side of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 up to infinite. Now the solution is greater than equal to minus 1. So this minus 1 will also include it. So now you have to make the dark circle at minus 1 and greater than number is on right side. So darken the right side end of the line. So this darkened line from the minus 1 to the infinite is the solution of this inequality shown graphically on the number line. This is the method by which we solve a solution, we represent a solution graphically on the number line. Let's take one another example question, that is question number 19. Question number 19 is three into 1 minus x is less than 2 into x plus 4. Now this solution is also to represent graphically on the number line. Now first you simplify this inequality, so it will become 3 minus 3x is less than equal to 2x plus 8. 2x plus 8. So now minus 3x minus 2x is less than equal to 8 minus 3. So this will become minus 5x is less than equal to 5. Now divide by 5 or minus 5. When you divide it by minus 5, then it will become minus 5 greater than 5 by minus 5. So this minus 5 will get cancelled. X is greater than minus 1. Here the solution is x is greater than minus 1. So you draw a number line. Again it is 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5, plus 6 and so on. and the solution is from -1 greater than -1. It means -1 is not included. So make a circle at -1 and darken the line toward greater than the number representing the -1. So this is the solution of this inequality shown graphically on the number line. So in this way you can solve this type of question. Now one more question are left, thereafter word problem. So word problem I will discuss in another class. So let's see the last question, that is 20 of this type, and thereafter you all have to complete the question 1 to 20 in your homework. So the last question 20 is question number 20. X by 2 is greater than equal to 5x minus 2 by 3 minus 7x minus 3 by 5. This is the inequality. Now first you solve this. So it becomes x by 2 is greater than equal to, taking LCM of 3 and 15, so it will be 15. So 3 5 is 15, 5 into 5x minus 2 minus 5 3 is 3 into 7x minus 3. So this is the solution. So now it becomes x by 2 is greater than equal to 25x minus 10 minus 21x plus 9 by 15. So x by 2 is greater than equal to 25x minus 21x, that is 4x, minus 10 plus 9 is minus 1 by 15. So again you do cross multiplication. So it will become 15x is greater than equal to 4 to 8x minus 2. Now is it correct? 3 5 15, 3 5 ja 5x minus 2, 5 3 ja 3 into x 7x 25x minus 10 minus 21x plus 9. So 4x minus 1 by 15. So 15x, that is 8x minus 2. Okay, correct. So it is 15x minus 8x is greater than equal to minus 2. So it will become 7x is greater than equal to minus 2. So x is greater than equal to minus 2 by 7. This number is in fraction. And now you have to represent in the number line. So minus 2 by 7 is less than 1, less than minus 1. It means that you draw a number line that is 0, minus 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. And it is minus to divide this part in 7 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So minus 2 will become here. Minus 2 by 7. So from this onwards on the right side, your will be the solution. Darken this line towards from here to right side, you will get the solution of this equation. So students, I hope that all of you have understand to solve the linear inequalities. So all of you try it and solve it to get over command A. Okay, thank you.